Hi everyone, how are you all? Hope you are doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to give you latest updates from Usman University CPZ 2021 admissions. And before going into the details, if you are new to my channel, then please consider subscribing and hit the bell icon to receive all latest updates from Usman University. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So many students are asking when the second phase counseling is going to be start. So for them, the second phase, I'm going to tell you the when second phase is going to start. Before that, let's see this. So they have updated this. So let's take a look. So they have released phase 1 allotment candidate login. So if you are already allotted, you can log in with your hall ticket number and rank. When you press this login button, you will get logged in this portal. And next is for college registration for login credential and college login and instruction to the candidates. They have instructed to the candidates. So let's take a look. So first thing is that the students belonging to SC, ST, BC, EBC, PH categories will be considered for reimbursement of tuition fee, which is subject to verification and eligibility criteria prescribed by Government of Telangana from time to time. And in the event of non-eligibility for fee reimbursement, the candidate shall have to pay the total fee. So check that you are receiving reimbursement of fee or not before taking the step forward. Next instruction is self-reporting system. Click on self-reporting checkbox before the payment. Okay, this activity is mandatory so as to confirm your admission. The third instruction is payment through online, net banking, credit card, debit card. Click on pay now button. You will be directed to payment gateway. Make the payment accordingly, duly entering the details as per the payment mode selected, and after the successful payment, download the acknowledgement card. Okay, the acknowledge card will be very important in future purposes. It might be needed, so download it. Don't forget to download. Then fourth instruction is make the payment on or before 10th of December. So today is 7th December. Or before 10th December you have to pay, and if the candidate fails to pay the amount, this provisional allotment order automatically stand cancelled and candidate has no claim on the provisional seat allotment. So before 10th December you have to pay. Then next instruction is the candidate has to report at the college and hand over the acknowledgement card at the college. Okay. And the next sixth instruction is the original transfer certificate shall be submitted at the allotted college. So only you have to submit the original transfer certificate. This is for those who wish to confirm their seats. Okay, if you want to confirm your seat, you have to submit the TC, original TC. This is not compulsory for those who wish to slide the second phase. Slide in second phase if if you are not satisfied with your seat and the college you have applied for in the first phase, so you can apply in second phase as well. You can shift to the another college or another university. So in that case, don't submit the original TC, transfer certificate. The seventh instruction is candidate can verify status of payment detail in student's login by duly clicking on view joining or fee payment transaction report. If you want to check your status for payment, you can do that. Then the eighth instruction is after payment of tuition fee, if the candidate cancels the provisionally allotted seat, the candidate will forfeit the counseling fee rupees of 700. So if you after payment of tuition fee, if you cancel the seat, you will lose 700 rupees. Ninth instruction is candidates are eligible to participate in second phase of counseling for change of college or course. Okay. The 10th one is whether the candidate has reported or not is eligible to participate in second phase. So the last 7th instruction to the candidate is the candidate supposed to take admission in only one of the course in CPZ 2021 counseling. You can't take two course admission. You have to take only one seat at one admission in only one course. Okay, make sure to do that. So this is the instruction to the candidates. And for special category students seat allotment, as I have already discussed in my previous videos, that for MEd and MPed web options will be available in second phase counseling. Likewise, for special category seat available is also in second phase counseling they will release. So for this they have released this notification, and second phase counseling will be going to start from tomorrow 8th of December, like how they have given in some of the news article that from tomorrow 8th December they are going to start a second phase counseling. I will update you guys to stay connected. So these are the latest updates from Usman Study for CPZ 2021. Hope you guys find this video informative. For more updates like this, subscribe to the channel, and you can also follow us on Instagram, link in the description box. Thank you for watching.